Hey, Channel Insiders, I'm your host, Katie Bavoso, and welcome to this episode of Partner POV, brought to you by Eaton. If you're already an Eaton partner, you know about the staying power of the Eaton Power Advantage Partner Program. But did you know you may be leaving money on the table by limiting your power sales opportunities? According to data from Grandview Research, the data center power market in the U.S. alone is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13.3% from 2025 to 2030, thanks in large part to the explosive growth of AI. Today, we'll show you just how easy it is to boost your revenue as a managed service provider or reseller by partnering or deepening your existing partnership with Eaton. Here to explain the revenue opportunities of the Eaton Power Advantage Partner Program is Donna St. Denis, Channel Marketing Director at Eaton. Welcome, Donna.
Thanks, Katie. It's great to be here. Appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you so much for being here. And as I mentioned to you before we got started, I love that you brought the Eaton rubber ducky in the background. Always love to see the ducks being represented over at Eaton.
For sure. We sell serious solutions, so it's good to have fun, at least in marketing.
Yeah,
Not
exactly.
with our products. Right.
I hope that everybody who buys a solution from Eaton also gets a duck along with their solution.
We can make that happen.
All right. Yeah, we'll talk about that more afterwards. But let's get into it today, Donna. Eaton, as we know, always says its partners don't need to be experts in selling power. How is that possible in light of the complexity of some of the power and connectivity solutions in your portfolio?
So you said it right. There's a complexity to our solutions, and the partner doesn't have to be an expert because they get a team that supports them. Literally, when they sign into the partner program, there's a contact page that appears where you see your inside sales rep, your outside sales manager, your channel marketing manager that is there to help you. There's also the pre and post sales engineer and solution architects. There's a full team of support to be the expert and help our partners grow their business.
Let's talk about how to make more money with Eaton, because people are always excited to hear about that. What's an example of one easy way to make more money with Eaton as a partner?
One example is the power audit or power assessment. It's a value of $1,500, but it's free for our partners. And that's the combination of the partner that has a customer that has a power opportunity. And then our solution architects and outside sales manager would come and do this assessment. We looked at the statistic and 70% of those opportunities close. So that is a very powerful, no pun, powerful opportunity for our partners, right? To call on us for these power audits.
Yeah, that sounds like an easy and quick way to do it. 70% close rate, that's no joke. But what about the partners who want to make revenue over time with Eaton and grow? How can they grow that revenue as they continue to partner with Eaton over time?
So we have a very simple program. It's 3-tier, registered, certified, premier. And as they grow with us, so do the benefits. The first thing they get at the registered level is upfront discounts with the deal registration, and that goes up to 20% at the highest level of our partnership. And there's also not for resales unit that are available at that level. And again, as they grow, they get more benefits. So there's marketing development funds available to help the partner create their own leads. There's also the rewards program, which is an easy program with an Eaton Visa debit card. And all our SKUs are spiffed. So there's a lot of opportunity for margin and to not leave money on the table in this program.
So well put, Donna. Thank you for getting into all of that. Well, Donna, once the Eaton partners sign up, what's one way Eaton supports partners to start engaging with customers quickly?
One way that I really think is powerful is the Amplify program, which is social media posts that are written for our partners for them to use as is or to customize. So they don't even have to think about it. We use these and get them out on the social media platform that they currently use. It's all content written for them. And we know, in marketing, content is king. So there's no headache there. You just use and set them to be sent to your audience.
As a content person myself, I appreciate that. You're very right about content being king, and that saves people a lot of time to get started quickly. Well, Donna, last question today would just be, we obviously want to talk about so much more and hear about so many more details, but for those listening and watching, where can interested MSPs and resellers go to learn more about partnering with Eaton and get started?
Like everything else, super simple. It's on the screen, but it's poweradvantage.eaton.com. Registration is quite quick, and there's an onboarding team that will welcome you to the program, and then all of us here to help you sell power and connectivity solutions.
Fantastic. Well, Donna, thank you so much for your time today, and I'm excited, as always, to learn more about Eaton and see where you go with your partners in the future.
Thanks, Katie.
And thank you at home for joining us. To see more episodes of Partner POV, check out channelinsider.com. Once again, I'm Katie Bavoso, and I'll see you next time.